Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by ensuring your Google account is signed in and location services are on. This lets Maps access your position in real time. Once done, open Google Maps and tap your profile icon to confirm the correct account. Make sure background location permission is granted so sharing continues when the app is not active. These steps prevent interruptions. They also ensure your shared location is accurate to within a few meters, which matters for now. You begin sharing. Tap your profile, choose location sharing, then tap share location. You can set a duration or pick until you turn off, which is useful for long trips. Next, select people from your contacts or create a shareable link if the recipient is not in your contacts. Once you choose a person, confirm the permission and hit share. This establishes a live feed that updates in real time, so recipients see where you are and how you are moving. To finish, manage sharing from location sharing. Stop sharing at any time or extend the duration if needed. If your position looks wrong, make sure location is on, calibrate the compass by moving your phone in a figure 8, and restart the app to refresh data. Also check battery optimization settings, since aggressive power saving can pause background sharing. If a link was used, revoke it to stop access. Otherwise, people added directly will lose the view when you turn sharing off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.